Let's create an example N+M configuration. This configuration does not include fixed backup servers. A node can function on any server. Only network archives can be used in this configuration. Open Supervisor Settings. In the Configuration tab, click on this button and select N+M configuration from the list. Add the required number of servers to the configuration. Add All adds all servers in the cluster. Click on this button to add a node. You can change the node's name if you like. Click Proceed. Add the required number of nodes. Please note that the number of nodes must differ from the number of servers. At least one server must be on standby to take over a node from any other server from the configuration at any time. If you like, you can delete any node from the list by clicking on this button. Click Apply. Go to the Configuration tab and wait for initialization to finish. You can edit the newly created configuration by clicking on this button. Now connect from the client to any available node from an existing configuration. You must create the new domain name when you connect for the first time. Add all nodes to the domain, then set up cameras and archives for each node. For instance, shut down one of the servers and see how the node is transferred from the Supervisor Settings window. Please note that the node is transferred to the duty server, and the offline server has disappeared from the list on the dashboard. Nothing changes in the device tree. The camera has both live video and video footage from a specified network archive available. After the server comes back online, wait for initialization to finish. The server is back but the node doesn't return to it. You've now set up the failover server in N+M configuration.